Technology, like anything, is really a reflection of the people and experiences that create it. So one of the things we really need, and what technology needs, is it needs you to bring your authentic self, your desires, your needs, your wishes for accessibility. And it needs you to bring that into the technology sector so that there is a greater voice speaking to what's needed. I'm Kelly Ford, and I'm going to be your instructor for this course. I've been a screen reading user since screen readers existed. I've had a successful career in the technology industry, but most importantly, I've learned a lot and I want to share it with others. I'm excited for you to join my course on web development, where I'm going to be teaching you about the technologies, processes, mindset, and other skills and experiences that can help you explore web development as a career. This course is about joining a community and collaborating and learning from each other. It's how I've achieved what I've achieved, and in a small way, it's my way to give back. So I hope that you'll join me on this journey and learn.